Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Gary, aka Gary We Trust. I'm back at it again with another shoe review. I know the setting looks completely different because I'm actually at my homie Jerry the Samurai. Okay, yeah. Oh shit. Jerry the Samurai.
Yes. It is I.
And I don't know if you saw my homies over here before. Actually, my homie Phil right here.
What up?
Everything good. Then got Raw Dog Randy over here.
Raw Dog, what up?
Raw Dog
That's
Randy.
not true.
And right now I'm actually here. I was actually blessed. I know I've been gone for like 2 months now. I'm sorry, but right now I can't even use my camera because my homie Cheech got my camera. So right here, I was actually one of the very, very few lucky ones.
Fuck you.
Hey, fuck you. One of the very few lucky ones to cop the Travis Scott ones. And this is a very special moment, and none of us have seen this shoe early. And the crazy part is me and Jerry actually went to SneakerCon Fort Lauderdale. They were allegedly.
Yeah.
We didn't even see them shits, so. Yeah, so let's get right to it. And actually an official unboxing. I haven't even done an unboxing forever. And honestly, just off a little conversation, I think it's so cap, this Nike box.
Bro.
Someone
shipping
down. The shipping boxes, bro, just like, come on, man.
It's
like, take me.
Bro, it's like you just screaming at people, there's a shoe in here. There's something valuable.
There's something very valuable.
Take it. Please.
Please,
steal
just do
me.
it. Just do it.
Please, just do it. Steal me,
Just do it.
please.
Yeah, and then like I was literally at my window and the UPS guy, I literally just see him just leave it right there, far from the door too. Just in case if you're not sure which house to drop it at.
Just asking to get that big bug.
You been
bro,
shit.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm really excited to see this shoe right now.
Bro, it's like
Not no hypey shit,
Bro.
but I'm like really excited.
I'm really excited.
I just want to
bro.
see the backwards check on a 1.
Yeah, bro. I want to see that pocket.
I want all the details.
Yeah, bro.
I'm literally
The
having
material quality.
Yeah, bro.
I'm having the same feeling as like when I saw Avengers Endgame for the first time. That same feeling that's going through my body right now is going like happening right now.
When did you watch the
Bro.
movie?
I don't trust you with that knife.
I'm
defect.
like, I'm really geeked right now, bro. I'm
Ooh.
really geeked right now, bro.
Bro, alright. So we have the Nike receipt. Authentic boys.
The birth certificate.
God damn it. It's over.
Alright.
Oh shit.
We don't need this cat box anymore.
Bro, they sent you 11 and a half. Bro, they sent you 11 and a half, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Bro, they sent you 11 and a half, bro.
Bro.
StockX.
Y'all some assholes. Bro.
Spoiler.
I just don't like how like my side should look glued on and shit.
It's a dud pair, dog. I'm telling you. 2 mismatches.
Alright.
That shit was a rush.
Chocolate brown Nike box.
That's different.
Damn, bro.
Mad different.
That's
my
a
style.
box
I
you
deserve
can
it.
never get rid of.
Nah.
Bro, never.
Never. Damn, bro.
I need
Damn.
the box.
Damn, bro.
Alright,
Hold
bro.
on, bro. Hold on, bro.
Pause.
Drum roll.
Yeah, bro.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah. That pussy pink.
Pussy
pink.
oh my god.
Bro.
Cactus Jack logos. Air Jordans.
Dang.
All that good shit. I ain't
That's
gonna
what we
lie.
see right now.
You know what it reminds me of? Those ice cream sandwiches. The,
Oh, the
brown and
pink.
pink. Yeah. The boy smelling the
It
pussy.
smells like factory. Right,
Damn,
alright.
I can see it, bro.
Ah, shit.
I can see it, bro. I can
Okay.
see it.
Woo!
Yeah, bro.
4 laces.
Yeah,
Five.
Five.
Five, really.
Five.
5.
Damn, bro.
Nice.
Damn. The white lace is bussin'.
Bro.
The white lace is bussin', bro.
The Nike check.
Yo.
Ooh.
That's
Hold on,
sweet, though.
hold on.
Bro, and it's
hold on,
the Cactus Jack right.
Yeah, bro.
Wet.
Yeah.
Is it nubuck? Sweat.
Bro, y'all need to
It's-
have to
it's like
touch, this,
suede.
touch the toe, please. Pause.
Bro.
Yeah, bro.
The material is real good.
Bro.
You can hold that one.
Can't wait for mine.
Oh, yeah, you did cop them. You did cop them.
I cannot wait
You
for
bitch
mine.
you.
Bro.
You-
The white lace is bussin'.
They've been warned. What's this?
Oh shit, a squeeze.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Thank God.
Bro.
That boy was finna cry.
Damn, bro.
That boy had to try on.
Dog. This is a good one, bro.
That is
This-
a good.
This
is a good shoe. Bro.
this is a good one right here, yo. Like,
That pocket in the back.
bro, the pocket,
Oh,
bro.
I have yet to freaking to take
Yeah.
the virginity of the pocket.
Wait, look at this.
Yeah,
right
he
here.
has to be the one. What happened? What happened?
What happened?
Trolling.
Oh, you trolling?
Let me see. Wait, let me see this pic.
All right, hold on.
Damn, bro.
They've been warned. Look at the dirty tin on here.
Fuck you. Man.
With true dope smuggler shoes.
Wait, does all this come off?
Yeah.
All of this comes off?
Yeah, the whole back.
Yeah,
Oh,
the whole
this is
back. You
wild.
can see it right here.
Yeah, bro. The whole back. That's
Put like an eighth in there.
Bro, you can legit, like,
Oh, like
it goes all the way around.
I don't think it can all come off at all the same time. Or can it?
You gotta flip that thing back, boy.
Yeah. you gotta
Yeah, it
flip
does. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, let me see. Damn.
Like all
Red
like,
satin.
That's that velvet shit.
Yeah, bro. That shit is
Oh,
fire.
oh.
bro.
It's like,
That shit is
hello.
fire. Damn, bro.
Bro, like the thing about this sneaker is like so people are acting fucking unusual for this shoe, bro. Did y'all see those China lines?
Ridiculous for a resale.
Bro.
Yeah.
What about that line we saw? In,
Yeah, the picture that I sent, bro.
Yeah, no, people waiting
bro,
for the
waiting
scratch.
outside for the leftovers.
For unclaimed pairs. Which most likely won't be any unclaimed pairs.
And
Who's
it was
letting
the
that
day
pass?
before.
Like-
It was the day before the release.
Just man alone, dog.
He didn't do his ass check.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Oh, like what y'all
This
never
is a
did?
good one. This is a good one, bro.
It's a pretty good one. I like the details.
Damn,
in this,
bro.
man.
The
Yeah.
Cactus
The details.
Jack, like, just branded, bro.
You can tuck your
Branded.
pants in here, show the whole shoe.
Yeah. And it's just like, bro, the Nike check.
Bro, the quality's
Gary.
amazing.
Quality is on.
Gary,
That's deep.
do this shoe some justice, bro. Like, you
Mileage.
gotta go in on this
A
Mileage.
lot of
shit,
fits will be made.
bro.
Oh, you can do a lot with this right here.
Bro, this is a universal shoe, bro.
It
This
really
is
is.
this dog. Hey,
What you want to do? You want to get crossed up, or you want to play a game of skate? Let me
Whoa.
know. You want to go out on a date, or you want to go to a concert? Like, what's
Bro,
up?
like I literally like the crazy part is like how I got them is that we're pretty sure we're all on sneakers, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were all trying.
yeah.
We were all trying on sneakers, and luckily I was home and I was going on my phone. Literally had to type in my card information again. You have to put in your password now on sneakers app.
Yeah.
You have to retype in your password.
Yep.
And then you had, literally if you have like an iPhone, you have to enable the Face ID.
Really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You actually had to use the Face ID.
So even thumbprint too, then. If you
Thumb-
Well,
Thumbprint
on the
no.
new iPhones, they don't have the
thumbprint.
thumbprint.
Yeah, that is true.
It's just
Yeah,
straight Face
yeah,
ID.
yeah.
So I feel like that does kind of slow shit down for you, because with the Touch ID, it was quick. Man. Your finger already.
No,
on
but the Face
button
ID
anyway.
is pretty quick.
I mean, that face the box there too, then, right?
I hope.
I would think so. There is one critique that I have about this shoe though. Let me see this.
What?
So the one critique is, as immaculate as this shoe is,
Oh, there's a downfall.
yeah, to
He's
me,
preying on your downfall.
I cannot see myself putting the red lace on this shoe.
Nah, man.
It kind of contrasts.
Yeah, it contrasts. It depends on the fit.
I
It
don't
really
know.
depends on the fit.
I don't know, man. I feel like all the other laces go crazy with it. Like, I feel
Especially that
like
pink one.
the pink one, yeah, that's
But
automatic.
I feel like people are overkilling the pink one because that's the first thing they go to.
Yeah,
from
that's
what
the
I've been
first
seeing.
thing. That's the thing. You know what lace I would put? I would legit put the white lace in.
I would
And
try.
you were,
it's not
you were
even
bashing
white.
the white laces. Too.
Yeah, bro.
You were bashing
I
the white
was,
laces.
but like
That's like a
after I
cream.
put it on the Nigels, bro, to put the white lace in,
You know,
bro.
I'll put the brown because not a lot
The
of people.
brown,
go
yeah,
for
the
that.
brown
There
goes in
is
too.
brown lace.
That
Yeah.
brown lace is gonna be
The brown,
nice.
yeah,
Bro.
the brown lace is probably
My
gonna
pink
go dummy.
laces were already for Dago.
Yeah, because they know.
You got the peon brown.
I ain't gonna lie, the brown's probably gonna go crazy.
Those
on
pink
them.
ones are from
Go
Air Force.
Damn.
Oh, bro, like, but literally,
MC.
I
Them
couldn't.
things is- yeah.
I was trying to get them on my phone, but literally my phone wasn't going through. It was saying error, wouldn't give me no
Everybody's
chance.
phone was, yeah.
So like honestly, I went on the laptop and I was having a lot more success on the laptop. But the crazy part is, bro, like I got success on the laptop.
You don't
It
reveal
said
information like that.
it said purchase on the laptop and it said sold out on my phone, which is the weird part.
Bro.
Nike need to tighten up. That's what I gotta
Real
say,
shit.
like.
Real shit.
But they took my money. But they even took my money while I still said pending
Pending.
on the laptop. While I
I
still
love
said
when I
sold
see
out.
shit like that though. I
You
love
should
when I
send
see
another
shit
free
like that.
pair just because.
Bro.
Size 12.
Do you, bro, feel the fucking sway
Bro,
on here, bro.
Bro, this I'm gonna say this right now. Like slight flex. I do own the Blue Union Jordan 1. Slight flex, but to compare it to a Jordan 1, that is the same quality as the Storm Blue Unions or the Union 1 in general. Like
Well, they gotta do it
Time out.
justice. Yeah.
Which one would you say is better out of those two?
Oh man,
honestly,
me.
These are more universal,
I feel like I would, man. Come on, man.
But then
to
again,
me, that's no brainer. To me, that's no brainer.
This is
I
a whole
want
other
these.
conversation because like the unions, you have to think about it, like the stitching and all of this. Like it gives it the character.
It's character,
Yeah.
yeah. But these
I
right
couldn't
here,
even judge them this far because there's two completely different concepts.
okay,
Same shoe though.
same.
So we
Same
can't judge them.
shoe,
Yes. And you said almost the same material.
same material. Honestly, bro, I think I would say the unions because like it really fucks up people's mind every time we're the unions. Because like, bro, are you wearing like 4 different laces?
Okay.
Bro, like, it really fucks up people's head when you wear the unions. Like this is gonna fuck up people's head too because just the backboard swoosh. Niggas is gonna be like, oh your shit fake. The thing is, this shoe used to sell for $2,500.
Yes,
I was trying to cop them when they first dropped.
bro.
But they sold out too damn fast.
Yeah.
That shoe is going to be a fucking historical shoe, bro. And now you know what they're gonna do?
No.
Different
They're
colorway.
gonna do different Jordan 1s. They're gonna do regular Jordan 1s. No pocket, no Travis Scott branding,
With that
With that backward
swoosh,
swoosh.
yeah.
Yep.
with the backwards swoosh.
I kind of like how the swoosh goes with the black lace.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, Gary,
Yeah.
you wear these proud
Bro, please do them justice.
With the
bro.
poom poom shorts.
with the poom poom shorts.
And bro, don't be afraid to dog these shoes, bro.
I definitely won't, bro.
Don't be afraid, bro.
And
These will
shoes
look
like
nice
a-
as hell, dog. Down. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
bro. I
But
feel like
like-
they're gonna age well, bro.
Didn't I tell y'all from the moment I saw pictures, it is shoe of the year? Didn't I keep the same energy?
I was hoping everybody was gonna keep the same energy, bro, but motherfuckers didn't, bro. That people was shitting on that shoe at first, bro.
Yeah.
People was shitting on it. The Cactus Jack,
Yeah.
yeah.
That tag there.
But when you wear the shoe, that side is gonna dip in.
Mm-hmm. Unless you freak it and like.
If you Richard Kidd, if you Russell Westbrook it.
Hey, no. You gotta gut these.
Oh god, there we go. Him and his gutting him.
What are
gotta
you
cut
talking
these,
about,
bro.
gut?
Like the way his shoes is now, basically. You just gut the laces.
Yeah, gut the laces. Let them stop like right there. You can show off the tag. It wouldn't
Bro,
be too
like,
much Russell
honestly-
Westbrookish.
The crazy part
the shoe
is
gonna probably be loose on you.
You're right.
Get your right size, right?
Randy doesn't care.
Yeah, I'm gonna lie, bro. That's a good one, bro. It's.
I'm
damn.
jealous.
I'm jealous right now, but I've already. Hey, I don't give a fuck.
I just wanted to
Purchases
see.
are
I
made.
don't give a fuck. I spent that bread on that fucking shoe, but
You care to say the price?
we all know what the going price for these shoes are. I purchased them on May 13th. So check the prices around that time. That's what I bought the motherfuckers for. I don't care. I wanted that shoe. After looking at it, I know it's gonna be money well fucking spent.
Nice.
Bro, the white lace is going dummy. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Like I
Everything's
know,
going dummy about this shoe, bro.
bro.
Definitely so far shoe of the year.
Yeah.
From the release, from the hype, and the way that the release was mishandled. Nobody really got their pairs like they were trying.
Yeah,
so
bro.
But to
it's
be
gonna
honest,
most talked about, most hyped shoe of the year so far.
you know the reason why I don't feel bad for Jerry because he got the Cactus Jack Force for a reason. So I have
Yeah, bro. I
zero
hit
sympathy.
on the Travis Scott Force, bro. 30 minutes after the fucking shoe dropped, just like these, bro.
30 minutes
So
after the
I'm-
drop.
I'm noticing this.
Yeah, bro.
It's gonna be a chain effect.
And like, bro, like I'm just not noticing like this is already like pre-aged, bro.
Yeah,
That's
why.
that's
they-
what
That's
I'm
why I
saying,
said
bro.
you gotta bust some, bro.
like, come on, it's already coming.
Bro,
like,
keep the
yeah.
suede, bro. Just like
yeah,
different patterns.
it
bro.
looks like a shoe. Like, bro, you look in your freaking attic and be like,
Bro.
damn, I have these still
I'm gonna throw that stain repellent on that shit,
every day.
and I'm gonna go in, bro. Like,
Take them to the woods.
bro, honestly, I wouldn't even care if like the suede started to get beat the fuck up on it, bro. I wouldn't even care.
It's like SBs. Like,
Yeah, bro.
That's like SB suede for real. Like,
But anyway, I want to appreciate y'all for watching, especially the homies that did this unboxing review with me. So out of 10, what are y'all rating these?
Hey, that's a 10, bro.
that's definitely a 9.5, 10.
I was going to say 9.5.
Damn. So what would make it a 10?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just
If I got them.
And on that note, it's your boy Gary, aka Gary We Trust.
Hey, it is I, Jerry the Samurai, and we is out this bitch.
My homies over here.
Oh, Phil. Son Sazy.
Randy.
Raw Dog Randy.
Oh my god, I
Raw
knew
dog,
it.
man.
Anyway, thanks y'all for watching. Keep on the lookout. On feeds and outfit vids will definitely be on the way for these, alright? And I just want to say thank you to the higher ups, Jesus, the Lord, sneaker gods. I knew that was coming.
And fuck Nike.
Yeah.
They're gonna look out for you, like, yep. Cut them off.
I'm out, y'all. Easy.
No more orders for this.
Peace.